Good morning, boys and girls. This morning, first thing you're going to do is put your name at the top of your paper. We are going to fold our paper into 8 pieces like we did the last time. So first, you're going to fold hamburger, corner to corner. So that you have 2 pieces. And then you're going to do that again. Now it looks hot dog. If you open it up, you have 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. To make 8, now you're going to fold it in half one more time. When you open it up, you will have 8 pieces. I'm going to help you one more time. To make 8 pieces, first you fold it in half, hamburger. Now you're going to fold it again, and then make it smaller by folding in half there. Then you're going to open up and you're going to number all of your spaces. Start in the upper left corner with 1, go over to 2, and then go down 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boys and girls, for number 1, we're going to look at this candy. I have some Twizzlers. 6 pieces, and I'm going to add suckers. I have 4. I want you to write that problem and then solve the answer on your, find the sum and write it on your paper. If you need, you can count your pieces of candy again. And then, boys and girls, we're going to use the commutative property to add them the other way. So what you're going to do is you're going to put the suckers first and then add the Twizzlers. So I want you to write another problem that shows the commutative property of 6 plus 4. So what would be the commutative property? Boys, girls, now we've been working on problems with 3 addends. So when we have 3 addends, we're going to add a number plus another number plus another number to get our sum. So let's pretend, or let's add the Twizzlers again. We have 6. Let's add some Sour Patch sour candy. And let's add these suckers. I want to know how many in all for all of these pieces. So we have 6 Twizzlers, 3 sour candies, 1, 2, 3, and we have 3 suckers. I want you to add all 3 of those numbers to get our sum. For number 3, we're going to do 3 add-ins again. I have 6 Jawbreakers, I have 6 Twizzlers, and I have 2 Kit Kats. Add all of these add-ins together, 6 plus 6 plus 2, to come up with our sum for 3 add-ins. And one more 3 add-ins problem. Boys and girls, you can work your problem horizontal or vertical. You pick which one is easiest for you, horizontal or vertical. This time I only have 5 Jawbreakers. I have 3 sour candies, and I have 6 Twizzlers. How many pieces of candy do I have in all? Adding 3 add-ins at one time. 5 plus 3 plus 6. Boys and girls, for number 5, I need you to be creative. You're going to draw me a shape in here that has 4 sides and 4 corners. You might draw a square or a rectangle, 4 sides and 4 corners. Now I want you to add to this shape by drawing 3 triangles in here. You could add them onto the sides, you could make them on top and bottom. I want you to be creative and put 3 triangles around your 4 sides and 4 cornered shape. And lastly, I want you to put 1 circle. So my shape has 4 sides and 4 corners. I'm going to add 3 triangles. And a circle. On On number 6, I want you to use the same shapes. You are going to draw another shape with 4 sides and 4 corners. You're going to add 3 triangles and 1 circle, but I want you to make your own design. That's number 6. Boys and girls, for number 7 and number 8, you are going to draw a tens frame in both of these spaces. To draw a tens frame, first you make a rectangle. So make a rectangle in both of those. Then you are going to draw a line down the middle. To make 10 spaces in the middle, you only need 4 lines. So you're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's going to make 10 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do the same thing over here. 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. And count to make sure that you have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then, boys and girls, you're going to get out a red crayon and a yellow crayon. Get out a red crayon and a yellow crayon. We're going to do some missing addend problems. With this problem over here, I want you to do 7 plus something equals 10. You're going to color in 7 circles. And then you're going to figure out how many yellow circles you need to fill in the 10. So you're going to make the rest yellow. I know you can't see those very well, but you can see them on your piece of paper. However many you colored in, that's how many you're going to put in this box right here, because that's our missing number. We don't know that number. For the next one, boys and girls, we don't know how many to make red, but we're going to make 4 yellow, and it's going to make 10. So I want you to make 4 yellow circles, and then that's going to help you find how many red circles, red counters you need to fill in to equal 10. Check over your work before you're ready to turn it in. Number 1, remember we used the commutative property and we added in 2 different ways. Number 2, number 3, and number 4, we were adding with 3 addends. We had different pieces of candy and we added all of them together to find the sum. Number 5 and number 6, you were supposed to use your creativity to make a shape with 4 sides and 4 corners. add 3 triangles to it, and then a circle. I drew this picture, and then you could have made any 2 pictures that you wanted, but you had to use those same shapes. And number 7 and number 8, we made 2 tens frames. We used our red crayon and our yellow crayon, and we did missing addend problems. Boys and girls, you did a great job this morning. I hope we have a great day.